This, ladies and gentlemen, is what is called living life on the edge. Don't do that.
Okay.
Oh!
All right.
Whoa! It's getting grease on me. I'm getting wet. Someone get the other axle. You plug the hole. Plug the hole.
Welcome back, JDs and Lettleman. We're at Don's shop today because he broke the Festiva back there, sitting in the depths of the property, because he decided he wanted to go off-roading by himself, and
I wasn't alone.
he wanted to go off-roading with his wife, and he was trying to show off, be a big tough boy, and he broke it.
It didn't take much.
You were in one car, which is always a bad idea.
And it
You're
was
off-roading.
snowing.
And then you dropped it the furthest spot from your shop?
Well, I had some work to do, so I had to get it somewhere away from where I was working. And that was where it ended up.
Copy.
Point being, we're here today to fix it. He broke the CV axle, and we're also going to do a couple other things, like install a tack, I believe you said?
Yeah,
Tachometer.
tack with those lights that don't function,
Yeah.
off-road lights. Maybe that's why you broke the axle.
Basically, we're going to pull to the shop and make it cool again. So,
And
it's going to be fun.
Let's make it cool again.
Yeah. Hey, what is this for?
What is that a horse
Oh,
leg?
this is a horse leg. I found it in the desert when I had to walk home because the Festiva broke a CV axle.
So it's going to be a fun day.
I think I just baby
Artifacts
vomited.
and all. Let's do this.
Do you want to touch it?
No.
No.
You want to
0%.
No, not at all. Thanks, son.
I don't think my gears are working.
It doesn't sound like it.
The extra wiring in here, we need to figure out what it is.
Okay. Custom battery hold down?
Custom battery hold down. I didn't want it jumping around when I'm jumping the car around.
Sure. Which axle's broken?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's the driver's side.
Do you have two axles for this car?
I only bought a driver's side one because that was the one that was making noise.
You're literally making a guess?
Oh, it was the one making
We're gonna
noise.
take this apart and you only have one axle?
It was the one that made the most noise.
Okay, Mr. Diagnostics. Let's hope that's accurate.
I nailed it. I know it. Yeah.
So, if you guys check out the Instagram channel
Excuse me.
at Gray Basin Garage, you guys can see where we put this car together. We just haven't done any videos of it yet. But this cute little Econo box, you know, found in Grass Valley.
From a cult. Legitimate cult. Me and Don drove to Grass Valley.
Hey,
and
we don't
bought
bring
this
that
car
up. We don't
from a
talk.
cult.
We don't talk about that.
They were very friendly. Made us feel very welcome. They have a yoga retreat center.
I mean, you guys made it back, so it couldn't have been that bad.
He had great hair. It was like a mane.
Great hair. Handsome man.
Yeah.
Handsome man.
So, as you can see, this car's got one hatch strut. We have created a spare tire mount plus a gas can mount, and now the hatch doesn't stay open. So we actually found the exact one we need from this side of a different car, and I'm going to try to fabricate it to go over here. Hopefully. It's not pre-drilled or anything on the body, so I'll probably weld it in, I think. We'll see what happens. This end goes right here, and you can see it's all bent up. It's normally straight. So what I'll probably do is press out this piece and use a bolt washer assembly to make a pivot point for these two components here. Go like that. But we'll make it work.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is what is called living life on the edge. Don't do that.
One of the things I'm running into, working on the strut with my carpenter's tape and carpenter's pencil, is this mount here, which I can't seem to get out of this. Basically, because it's designed for this side of the car, it goes down. And so I'm trying to mirror it so that the length is very similar. So now my goal is, when I put it on this side, it actually changes the pivot in order for this to work correctly, to an up position. So I can't necessarily go off of the mounting of the other one because this pivot on the other side is down at the bottom here. So I have to now actually, because initially I measured for mount to mount surface, but I need to measure pivot to probably the headliner right there. That'll be my closest bet to getting it accurate. Well, we'll see.
What's this do?
You got wire strippers up in this place?
Come on.
Do you even have tools, dude?
Do I have tools?
Oh, wait. Found those.
These are wire strippers too.
From what century?
So I
Sorry, I forgot how this worked.
need to clean up this edge,
Okay.
this edge, this edge. I have to get the paint off so that the weld will actually weld. So let's get these 3 edges here,
Okay.
and then let's do like the top edge also.
Okay, I already got my safety squints on.
So I've taken the time to grind off a section here to mock up, because this bracket's not removable, so that's kind of irritating because you're working with this flippity doobob. To go approximately in that area for a perma weld to approximately up on the top of the hatch about that area, and then hopefully it goes like this. That's our goal.
Alright, so I noticed on our last off-road trip, not the one where I broke this axle, but the one prior to that, the shifter would fall down about 2 or 3 inches, and it was really hard to figure out where gears were. So you would pull up on the shifter and then get it to find a gear. I decided to look under here since I already have the car on a jack stand, and the whole shifter assembly, which are 2 long linkages, comes up and down. The problem is,
Oh, I see, yeah.
it's supposed to stay up with these rubber bushings to help with vibration. Well, those rubber bushings are completely torn in half. So that's why it falls up and down. I haven't come up with a repair yet because I'm not going to buy parts for this because that's ridiculous. But when I do come up with a repair, you will know. Oh, dirt. Okay, this is the axle that I need to get out of the transmission. And the easiest way is to pry on it. The most easiest way is when you're on a lift. But my shop doesn't have a lift yet because it's out in the yard waiting to be installed. It's getting grease on me. I'm getting wet. Someone get the other axle. You plug the hole. Plug the hole.
Hey, man, your trans is full.
Plug the hole more. Here's the axle. Just put it back in. Just put the axle back in. We're losing precious fluids.
So our top mount right here needs to go roughly where this green mark is.
No idea.
Right there.
I have no idea.
The problem is as an amateur welder, welding overhead is very difficult for me, and I haven't mastered that skill yet. But I think I can pop this panel out and hopefully just drill some holes, and I can nut and bolt from the backside, and then I don't have to weld it. So then I won't look terrible at welding.
Excuse me, Rick.
Yeah? Am I not even close?
Easy, boy.
Here, I got a good old special roast coffee.
You gave it to me.
If you
Ow, God, I did it again.
Are you okay?
You know, it turns out heat shrink or whatever butt connectors get hot after you put fire to them.
All right, so that's mocked in. So that will go right there. And I think it'll be okie dokie-ish.
Hey,
Oh, you got a frontie. Hey, Brian!
we have light.
Good news is, so I've got this test fitted now.
Yeah,
Couple bolts here, self-tappers right there, and I just put one bolt gently right here.
I'm working.
Because I actually don't know if these are going to swing like it's supposed to and allow the trunk to close, or if it's just going to rip the mounts out, or if it's going to bend this in half. I don't know what's going to happen.
Disconnected wires on.
I don't even know if it's strong enough to hold this up, and this may have been in vain. So there's that. Let's take out the safety device. See what it does. Come on. Okay, so good news is it's holding it up. Barely, because I saw this flex right here, mainly because it's just got self-tappers in. But that's good. So, let's see if it'll close.
Got it.
Oh, no, it's instead of pulling my safety out. That's a good strut, but that mount needs to be better.
Couch does.
So, I don't know that I can,
Tight. Tight.
All right, good. Now we're done with that. I'm going to do some strong tack welds because my set screws aren't holding.
Are you sure you want to wear this because your hair's so nice today? God, that looks cool.
All right, okay, I think I'm ready. God, help me.
Which part?
This part.
I wasn't ready.
Okay.
You're so compact, but you almost took me out.
Is my hair okay? Okay.
Oh!
All right. Looks like we need some more work. Oh yeah! Burn that baby in. Bring it down. Okay. Okay.
I wasn't
You know,
sure.
there's pros and cons to working on cars with your friends.
Do you have a spool wire?
It's nice to have the company, but sometimes
I wish I had
you have to
a
work hard at
like this.
keeping people on task.
Because I have
My
a
buddy's
spool
here.
wire, but it's 2 wires in
But
one
for the most
conduit,
part, I
which is
enjoy my
super
time with
easy to
them.
run it.
But every now and again, yeah, get out of here. These guys.
Torque to spec.
Perfect. It's only mildly ghetto.
Who did that?
Don shit his pants.
We had pizza.
How did they get? Oh, that was not that long ago.
I'm not allowed cheese.
Then why did we get a cheese pizza?
This is what you guys wanted.
Man.
I can't work in these conditions. Look at that.
Did you wrap it the wrong way?
No. There you go. Okay, maybe I did an extra loop, but it still counts.
Wait, once it comes out this way, then where you going with it?
To the light bars. Oh gosh, Don.
What's wrong?
I can taste your insides.
It was an accident.
It was an accident. Bro, those are the kind of farts that can win a war.
Too old to get drafted these days. Ball used up.
Just old enough to your pants. Truth is truth, man. Nothing like using some high quality speaker wire to turn your off-road lights on.
Make sure that light back there works.
John, hit us a switch. Hit the switch.
Is
I
it
saw,
on?
I saw Jim turn orange, so I'm guessing it's on.
Okay. Is the cameraman blinded?
Cameraman is duly blinded.
That's pretty cool, man.
Okay. All right. Chase light active.
All right. We put an axle in it.
We got a light bar on the front. We have a chase light working. In theory, if I have done my math correctly, the car should drive.
It should drive.
It should.
We don't actually know yet,
And
but
have lights. But if you guys enjoyed what you saw, make sure you like.
Comment.
and subscribe.
It really helps us out.
You guys ready to test drive this beast or what?
Let's do it. Get in there.
Party on.
I call back.
Someone had to.
Somebody help me.
Into the sunset, Grandma.
My panel's still up.
Oh, God.
I forgot how much power this doesn't have. How much weight is back there? I thought you lost weight.
Whoa.
It's getting grease on me. I'm getting wet. Someone get the other axle. You plug the hole. Plug the hole.
Hey, man, your trans is full.